How to enable tab groups on Mozilla Firefox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable tab groups on Mozilla Firefox. It's super simple, so let's get started. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It will really help us out. Now, let's move on towards the video. First, you need to head over to your Mozilla Firefox browser. Once you are here, in the search bar, you need to type about and config. Simply press enter after typing that, and since we are going to perform something experimental, you need to simply go ahead and click on accept the risk and continue. Now you are here, need to type browsers tab group dot enabled, and once you are here, you need to simply toggle it on to make it true. Now, once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and close this. Then you can open up Mozilla Firefox again, and here we can go ahead and add new tabs. Just to show you an example, now simply right click on the new tab, and here you can see add tab to the new group. Simply click on that, and here we can name the group 1. Then you can even change the color of the group. Here let me keep it purple, and then you can click on done. Once you have done it, you can simply go to the next tab and again right click on it and add table to the group. You can add it to a new group. Here we'll name it group 2, and you can even change the color for it and then click on done. Now let's add this next tab to the existing group. So simply right click on it and then click on add tab to a group. From here, you can add it whether on group 1 or group 2. It's up to you. Here, I'll be adding it to group 1. And as you can see that this new tab has been added to group 1. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.